Here's the story of when I first saw Maris. Nung lumabas si Maris, here's the thing about me, nagmumura ako pag sobrang saya. Nung lumabas si Maris at kumanta na siya, panay ang mura ko. PI, sino yan? Sino yan? Sobrang galing ng bata. Sino yan? I always thought that she would be different. And when I was thinking about what to say, you live in a world na puro artista. And sometimes, yung mga things that artistas have to do, have love teams that don't work, whatever, you will go through that. But one thing you should always remember, artista ka, oo, pero artist ka. You are an artist. And I want to see not Macris, not Danris, I want to see Maris.
Sinabi niya sa akin noon na, Mama, gusto kong mag-artista. Oo, talaga? Mula noon, tinitingnan ko na talaga yung mukha. Pwede ba itong mag-artista? Pwede siguro. This time last year, I can still remember, super sad po niya. Kasi hindi siya makaka-celebrate ng 18th birthday sa Davao with her family. But then look at you now. Look at all these people celebrating with you tonight.
I can't remember my whole last weekend. I think I may have been playing pretend. Is it just me or are we two kids again? Doing nothing, even doing nothing on the weekends.
Ever since nag-PBB siya, sobrang thankful ako na sa narating niya, lalo na dahil sa inyo lahat.
If there's one thing I'm going to tell you right now is just to pray harder. Thank you guys for loving this girl here in front.
Why is traffic so exciting? Kinda feels like we are hiding. Take your time, cause I'm taking mine. I can't remember my whole last weekend. I think I may have been playing pretend. Is it just me or are we two kids again? Doing nothing, doing nothing.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Happy birthday Maris! We love you! Happy birthday Mars! We love you!
Happy birthday Maris!
Hi Maris! Happy 19th birthday!
Happy birthday Maris! We love you!
Even doing nothing on the weekends.
Ang ireregalo ko na lang sa'yo, loyalty. Loyalty kahit na madami pang PBB na dumaan, kahit maraming artista na bago, para sa akin, ikaw yung the best.
Can't remember my whole last weekend. I think I may have been playing pretend.
Sa lahat ng dinadasal ko na ibinigay ng Diyos sa akin para sa Kanya, ay kayo.
I can't remember